Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth with Live Simple, Live Free, and it's come time to do another lovely unboxing video, which I really look forward to sharing with you guys. Here we go.
Yeah. Wow.
This subscription service is from a place called Lev Haolam, which means Heart of the World. I've got my box right here. I get one once a month, and it really helps to give families, farms, artisans, little shops, manufacturers that are in like the very heart of Israel, in Samaria and in Judea. Gives them a kind of a wider group of people all over the world that can be using their products. And so, like I said, I get a box from them once a month. So let's open this up and see what's in here. I'm taking off the plastic on the outside. I really often wish that I had smell-o-vision, because as soon as this plastic comes off, the smell from this is always so wonderful. And they have a theme. They'll usually have a theme for it. Oh, it already smells good. And just a variety of different things in here. So let's see what it is this time. Just cutting that box open. I already smell like lavender and herbs and stuff like that. There we go. Okay, popping it open. See what we got in here. So the first thing that's sitting on top, they always have a little information paper here. Tefillah prayer, the gift of the heart. Prayer begins where our power ends. And then please note the unique book of Psalms we have included. The images accompanying each chapter were inspired by the chapter itself. We recommend reading the article in the magazine. Okay, yes, this always comes with a magazine here that will tell us things that are going on in Israel, updates, how things are going, and then just different things about the people whose products are in the box this time. And they have recipes that use some of the ingredients of food that we get. It looks really good. And then just a little bit about each one of the people. So that's always very interesting for me to read. So let's look here and see. Oh wow, gourmet salad mix from the Judean hills. This unique mix of spiced dried onions, seeds, cashews, and almonds is a delicious addition to any salad. Oh, that does sound really good. Okay. They recommend chopping romaine lettuce, having some cherry tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, and put the salad mix, olive oil, and lemon juice. Ooh, that sounds really lovely for a salad. Wonderful. Yohanan and Ina, who lives in Bat Ayin, Gush Etzion, and I apologize, I don't know how to pronounce stuff very well. They love to eat quality, healthy food, and decided to offer the food they love to all the residents of Gush Etzion. So this is a wonderful topping for some salad. Oh, yum. Mushrooms. Select dried mushrooms. Before cooking the mushrooms, empty the bag into boiling water and soak for 20 minutes. And oh, really lovely dried mushrooms. This collection was put together to help you prepare a simple and quick dish combined with quality mushrooms. This has porcini, champignon, and wild mushrooms. These three together form an excellent base for a classic cream mushroom sauce for pasta alfredo or a wide variety of dishes. Nice. So this combination of three different kinds of the dried mushrooms in here. Cool. Oh, more of these lovely spices. Judean spices. This is called the green spice. The creation of this herbal spice mixture was inspired by the healing herbs and spices that flourish in the Judean mountains. The aromas and flavors of these plants have been with our ancestors, prophets, and kings for thousands of years. Judean spices. Green spice brings to your table the fragrance of this ancient land. Oh, yeah, all sorts of things in here, including like hyssop, which you read about that in the Bible. And these spice mixes have been really good. I'm going to go and open this. Oh my goodness, that smells good. Reminds me a little bit of the za'atar that we had before. Just loaded with interesting stuff. Micromeria, fruticosa, of course, hyssop, and then a bunch of other wonderful spices. Garlic. Oh, this is great. Yes. Oh, Rachelli's cookie box. There's 4 different kinds here. Wow, these are like, they're made with, let's see, almonds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, cranberries, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, peaches. It's like all seeds and fruit. Oh, they look really wonderful and like really healthy. Oh, that's great. So yeah, 4 different kinds here. Wow. Baked and packed with love in Gush Etzion. We read about on that other, the thing with the, I think the topping for the salad was Gush Etzion. Yeah. Excellent. Well, I'll finish the food item. Well, I'll get some more food items here. Let's see. Oh, yum. Made in Israel, Valley Mixed Nuts. Roasted and produced in the Jordan Valley. Oh, yeah, just beautiful mixed nuts here. What have we got in here? Cashews, pistachios, almonds, pecans, salt. Yum. And pistachios are especially so good. Wonderful. I love pecans too. Package of wellness from the Holy Land, gift of nature. We invite you to allow our creation to nourish your skin, senses, and soul. Let's see what we got here. Oh, as usual, the packaging is just exquisite. The artwork on it, I gotta make sure you can see kind of up close, but it's just beautiful, beautiful artwork on the box. Dead Sea Exfoliating Scrub, Lotus Bliss. It's made of Dead Sea minerals and apricot seeds, revitalizing dead skin cells, enhancing blood flow, and leaving the skin feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. The lotus and orange essential oils are a perfect combination that awaken the senses and help treat any kind of cellulitis. Wow. The lotus oil provides a calming yet awakening effect, while the orange scent uplifts and rejuvenates. Gotta see, of course, what it smells like. Oh, yeah. Oh, that smells so good. I'm not going to put it on right now because it's an exfoliator. You know, you got to use it according to the directions. Orange hemp, organic hemp and hemp seed body lotion. Yeah, I know hemp seed has a lot of good, healthy stuff in it. Contains hemp seed oil derived from this plant known for its natural anti-aging properties. It's naturally rich in omegas 3, 6, and 9, fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, which help to promote healthier looking skin. Yeah, this looks like a wonderful formula. Let me see what this one smells like. This I'll put a little bit on because I don't have to like rinse it off and everything like you do an exfoliator. And once again, just really pretty packaging. And shiny. Oh yeah. That is a really, what does that smell like? I can't tell for sure, but it sure smells good. It's kind of sweet and flowery. Let me look real quick on the ingredients. What a wonderful smell that is. What is that smell coming from? There's shea butter in it. That's always kind of really nice. Papaya fruit extract. Strawberry fruit extract. Jojoba. Rosemary leaf oil. Avocado oils. Patchouli. It's no wonder it's got that wonderful, like fruity, sweet. Oh, that's a nice smell. Wow. And like I said, I generally with these, they haven't bothered my skin. They haven't really irritated my skin. So that's good. Okay, now there is this gorgeous bound copy of Psalms with individual illustrations done by the artist that they talk about in the little book. And I've gotten one of these before, but I don't mind because I have loved it. It's beautiful. It's the book of Psalms with the Hebrew and and then in English side by side. I will give this to someone. I would love to give this to someone because I do still have one here, and that's fine. I don't mind, not at all. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous book, and it's just like I said, it's all full of the Psalms. Oh, wow, that's really nice. A really nice intro and about the artist and yeah. Oh wow. Illustrations by renowned artist Baruch Nachman precedes each chapter. Each of these illustrations relates to the following chapter and may serve as a visual interpretation of that chapter. The merging of beautiful typography with inspirational art has always been a signature of Koren Publishers Jerusalem, and we are glad to continue this tradition by publishing this edition of the Koren Tehillim, in other words, their edition of the Psalms. Finally, while we recognize the universality of need of all peoples to take comfort in the Psalms of King David, we never forget that they were composed right here in Jerusalem 3,000 years ago. We who live here today have the profound honor of walking amidst those same valleys he walked, to see the same beautiful nature he saw. We never forget the centrality of the land of Israel, Judea, and Jerusalem when reading these verses. If we have brought some comfort to the troubled, or an even greater appreciation of the beauty and depths of some of the most sublime poetry ever composed, we will be satisfied. Oh, wow. So yes, it is just an absolutely beautiful book. And I don't mind that I've ended up getting that twice because I will enjoy giving that to someone. And then we have a little bag of prayer cards in here. It's in Hebrew on one side. They have all sorts of beautiful pictures on the back of each one. Just all sorts of things. A little a little boat in a puddle. Wow. Oh, isn't this lovely? Just like, it's like fine art. Wow. Anyway, they all have topics. Joy, see here, renewal, sleep. Oh, how beautiful this is. The one about sleep, let me see what the picture is. That's cute. She's asleep in the grass with her hat over her head. Sleep. May it be your will that you bless my sleep, that I should close my eyes feeling secure and let go. To enter the chambers of kindness and dreams, let me merit that my sleep should be deep and pleasant and bring healing to my bones, and let me merit to awaken joyfully to life. Oh, that's lovely. So there's like a whole little stack here with this little like burlap kind of bag. It's like yeah. Anyway, it's soft, but it's like just a little cotton bag. It's not rough like burlap. Anyway, with this little bag that you can put them in. I think that's lovely. That's pretty cool. All right, so that was the box. Yep, that was everything. So some lovely food here, a beautiful book, and I am still enjoying the smell of that lotion. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to use the herbs. I'm going to use the salad topping. Wonderful. Yep, it's always so much fun just to see what comes and how things smell and what they're made out of and where they're from, and read the little information about all these different people that have produced these things. And it's nice giving them a market to be able to sell to. It's pretty cool. Alrighty. Well, listen, I love you guys. There'll be a link below if you want to know any more information about Lev Haolam. I am not in any way being reimbursed by them, or you know what I mean. I'm just happy to show you the openings. There, I'm not like affiliated with them. I just like to show you the unboxings. So, and I do really like the products and stuff. So, alrighty. Well, like I said, there'll be a link below if you just want to look at their website. I love you guys. Thanks for sharing this with me, and I will see you very soon. Be blessed. Live simple, live free. Okay, bye-bye.